Most people work hard for their money, but the rich make their money work for them. If you want to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and start building massive wealth, you need to master the financial secrets that the wealthy have been using for decades. It all starts with one powerful shift: controlling your money before it controls you. First, you must stop seeing money as something that comes and goes. Every dollar you earn is a seed. The rich don't waste their seeds. They plant them in assets that grow over time. If you're spending everything you make, you're stuck in a trap. The wealthy prioritize investments over consumption, focusing on real estate, stocks, businesses, and scalable income sources instead of fleeting luxuries. The second secret: understanding cash flow. The rich never rely on a single income source. They diversify. They build businesses, invest in passive income streams, and create multiple ways to make money even while they sleep. If you're relying solely on your job, you're putting your entire financial future in someone else's hands. The moment you start using your paycheck to fund assets, you begin the journey to real wealth. Next, the power of leverage. The wealthy don't just save, they use other people's money wisely. They understand how to leverage debt to acquire appreciating assets instead of liabilities. A wealthy person might take out a loan to buy an income-generating property, while the average person takes out a loan to buy a car that loses value the moment it leaves the lot. The key is using money strategically to create more income instead of draining your pockets. Another major factor: financial discipline. The rich live by a budget, not because they can't afford things, but because they understand the power of controlling their spending. They track every dollar, automate savings, and invest consistently. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow. Lastly, the biggest secret: mindset. The rich think differently about money. They don't fear investing. They seek knowledge. They surround themselves with people who push them to new levels, and they never stop learning. They understand that true financial success isn't an overnight miracle. It's a series of intentional choices that lead to massive results over time. If you want to be rich, you need to stop thinking like the 99% and start acting like the 1%. Your financial future is in your hands, and the decisions you make today will determine where you'll be years from now. Are you ready to take control, or will you keep following the same cycle that keeps people broke? The choice is yours. And here's the truth: building wealth isn't about luck, it's about strategy, persistence, and mindset. The wealthy don't wait for the perfect moment to start. They take action even when things aren't ideal because they understand that time is their greatest asset. Every day you wait to invest, to start that business, or to take control of your finances is a day you lose potential growth. Most people live reacting to money instead of commanding it. They chase paychecks, they panic over bills, and they stay trapped in cycles of financial stress. But the rich operate differently. They anticipate, they plan, and they position themselves to take advantage of opportunities before the masses even realize they exist. One of the greatest habits of the rich: learning. Wealth isn't just about dollars, it's about knowledge. Read books, attend seminars, follow successful mentors, and constantly absorb information that expands your financial intelligence. The more you know, the better decisions you make, and the less likely you are to fall for financial traps that keep most people broke. Your network is also your net worth. Look at the people you surround yourself with. Are they pushing you forward or keeping you stuck? The rich intentionally build relationships with those who challenge them, inspire them, and open doors to bigger opportunities. If you want to elevate your financial future, you need to elevate your environment. And here's something most people ignore: taking risks. Every wealthy person has faced uncertainty, failure, and setbacks, but they kept pushing forward. If you're afraid to take calculated risks, you'll always be at the mercy of those who do. You don't get rich by playing it safe. You get rich by making smart moves, learning from mistakes, and never quitting on your goals. This year, you have a choice. You can either keep making the same excuses, or you can commit to a new way of thinking. You can let fear hold you back, or you can take control. Wealth isn't just for the lucky, it's for those who decide to build it. So, what are you going to do?